Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the HBL app and authenticating. This secures the request and links it to the right account. Once logged in, go straight to Menu or Services and look for Checkbook Request. Avoiding navigation delay matters because some menus differ by app version. Make sure you already know which account and branch you want the book sent to and whether you need 25 or 50 leaves. This preparation speeds the process and prevents re-entry of details later. You now pick the target account from the displayed list. This ensures funds and records match. Next, choose the check type and number of leaves, 25 or 50, because banks charge or stock differently. Then select delivery method, have it mailed to your registered address or sent to a specified branch for pickup. Take a moment to verify the delivery address and contact number shown. Once done, the app can fulfill details and reduces a failed delivery attempt. You finish by carefully reviewing the request summary. Account, leaves, fee, and estimated delivery time. This prevents mistakes that delay issuance. Tap Confirm to submit and wait for a confirmation screen. Immediately save or screenshot the confirmation ID because it's your tracking reference. If something goes wrong, first make sure your app is up to date and your internet connection is stable. If errors persist, contact HBL support with the confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.